Hello guys, my name's Adrian Barrientos and I work for San Jose Public Library here at the Biblioteca Latinoamericana Branch. And today we're going to read to you a short little story and then do a little craft activity for those of you who celebrate Easter or you just want to celebrate springtime or any festivities for this new season. Okay? So first of all, let's start off with the story. It's called The Easter Bunny Assistant. So we see here the raccoon, not raccoon, it's a skunk and the bunny. And this is by Jan Thomas, in case you guys want to request this book again. And it's published by HarperCollins Publishers. And it goes like this. Hello, I'm the Easter Bunny and this is my assistant, Skunk. Today we're going to show you how to make beautiful Easter eggs. Okay. Step 1, hard-boiled eggs. I'm so excited, said Skunk. Oh, Skunk, what is that smell? I'm sorry, it happens when I get excited. What do you think he did? Please try to control yourself, said the bunny. And the skunk here goes, uh-oh. Step 2, make dye for the eggs. Oh, look at the beautiful colors. It's so exciting. Skunk, oh, sorry. Step 3, decorate the eggs with crayons. Ooh, I love decorating eggs. It's so pleasant. I don't think Bunny liked that. And exciting, yeah. Uh-oh, Skunk is thinking again. He's stinker. Step 4, remove the skunk from room. Push if necessary. Hey, why are you pushing me? Hey. Step 5, dye the eggs. Knock. We'll see the skunk's trying to get in. Now you have beautiful Easter eggs. Knock. Should I let him help me hide the eggs? You sure? Stinker. The end. And there's some little instructions on how to make just regular Easter eggs. But today we're going to show you how to make cascarones or confetti eggshells. So first of all, you can ask help from your mom or dad. You want to get these eggshells, and this is already made. So basically what they need to do, your parents, one of your parents has to make scrambled eggs or whatever they use the eggs for. Make a little hole, take all the stuff inside, and then wash it well with water and soap. It's the best, but if you just don't want to rinse it out with water, that's fine. And then you grab the eggshell and you put it on a carton or somewhere. It could be a bowl, whatever. You want to let it dry. Once it's completely dry, it's ready to be decorated. We got confetti that we're going to put inside because it's confetti eggshells. And you can make the confetti, you can buy it already made. Some of us have already bought these for other parties and stuff. Or you can make your own. See, or you can get some construction paper, you can get some color paper, and you can make little holes here with a hole puncher. See? So, and then you can gather all that, and that's what these are. These are little hole punch. See? So, I used a little cup here, and I poured inside in here. Oops. Made a mix up. Sometimes it gets a little messy, so just ask your parents to help you out. And I would do maybe just halfway. You don't have to fill out the whole egg. See? Like halfway. Okay? And then I put it over here. That's to decorate it once it's dry. If it's like this, let me, this one's already colored. So this is a sample, I just open it up. Sometimes you have to break it a little so the hole is a little bit big enough for you to put confetti. And that's what I'm doing here. Oops, 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 oops. So I put confetti in there. Once you're ready, make sure that after you dye these, and then let me show you how to dye. Before we close it up, we need to dye these eggs. So you see the complete like that? You get put water, and I put enough water to cover the egg. So I put enough water in there, and then use a teaspoon, and you have vinegar. I'm going to use blue because blue is my favorite color if you haven't already noticed. So I put 2 drops, 1, 2, well, let's do another one, 3. You can make more drops. I put, this is food coloring that your mom uses to make cupcakes or whatever she's baking and stuff, cakes. You can do those. They also have the kits where they have the little tablets. You can buy these at the store and stuff. The dollar store has these. And that's what we do. So I put that, and I just put 1, just regular white vinegar. You ask your mom or dad to help you out. Oh, let me open this. Let me move my book over here because I don't want to get it wet. And I do 1 little. And you stir it well. Once you've done that, I put, we have these little holders, egg holders. And then you guys are gonna pick up the supplies with us because we're gonna give you guys the first families and kids that come in or come into the Biblioteca here at Branch. You guys are gonna get a little supply kit, like a little baggie with the supplies. We're gonna give you one of these with the cups, the little tablets, or you guys can use the food coloring if you have it at home already. Okay? So you're gonna get one of these holders, and you dip the holder, the egg in there, and you keep it in there for quite a while. The longer you keep it in there, the darker it gets. So you want to make sure you keep it in there. And once you have it already, this is the finished product. Remember I put confetti in this one? So this one's ready to be sealed up. And what I do is I'm going to cut pieces of tissue paper or crepe paper, and you do it round. You just measure it, have your parents help you out. It's supposed to cover the little opening here. And with this, I would just dip it in the same coloring water that you are coloring, and then you just put it on top here. You don't need glue, it'll stick to it. Okay? And then you just leave it up here so it dries up. And that's it. After that, you can decorate it, you can put stickers on around. And we're probably going to give you some stickers so you guys, if you guys want to get creative and good stickers and what have you. Okay? So that's the craft. We call it cascarones. The idea with this is when I was growing up in Texas, because I'm originally from Texas, these were super popular. We made these at home. And the whole idea is to crack these on each other's head. So when we crack these on each other's head, with my brothers or my friends at school, you probably want to put confetti. You don't want to mess around and put other stuff in there, okay? So you don't want to use a real egg. You want to use the eggshells, okay? And these, you want to go outside and do it outside, because if you do it inside, your parents are going to get upset with you, making a mess with the confetti all over the place. You can do this for Easter, for springtime, whichever, and you can do it for any holiday, really. You can decorate. You can even do it for Christmas and stuff. So we leave it there. And that's pretty much it. Now we have some books here that we want to promote. We have bilingual books, cascarones, which are the confetti eggshells, Spanish books, the one I just read to you guys, de colores, which is a springtime song here. I even have this one, The Great Egg Escape, which is one of our newer books. And make sure you visit our website, sjpl.org is a website. And you can find out all the information about this. This video is going to be on YouTube for kids. And we also have other story times. We started a bilingual story time here at the Biblioteca. Look for it in our website. There's all sorts of programs and activities there on the website, virtual programs, live programs, performers. We have, recently we had a magician. So make sure you check us out and any of the other branches, and you're welcome to join us anytime. And that's about it. And I hope you guys have a good spring, a good Easter, whatever you guys celebrate. And I'll see you next time.